thought I'd start the new year with a little toast.
Toast to what?
A toast to you and me.
Had enough ginger today.
New year, same old ginger, guys. Ooh, you just swig it? Ooh.
Let me go ahead and shut this door real quick. Wicca, what's up Wednesday? Welcome
up,
back.
2018.
Yeah. You guys on that train? Choo choo. 2018. We had an unbelievable year. We are so excited to have you with us last year and now moving into 2018 as well.
Yeah, I mean, I think I don't know what I was going to say.
That's okay. You know, that's okay.
I think that every year I think there's no way we can top this year. You know, with all of our travel and all the wicked things we do. And yet somehow last year we found ourselves living in this little 60 square foot tiny home.
So if you're not OG and you don't know what happened this year, here's a little recap. Hope you enjoy.
2017 we launched our new rooibos chai.
Rooibos tea only grows in South Africa, so that's where we went.
Morning, Hakuna Matata. We have made it here. A little bit cuckoo because I think we are both, what's the word?
Jet lag.
We're jet lagged.
Along the way we stopped in Tanzania to catch up with old friends and make a couple new ones.
I thought it was a pretty good idea to put a ring on it.
We continued on to explore more of Africa. Table Mountain. You dog. And then it was time to get home to business. Then we'll be back to Toronto. My mom's gonna come pick us up and life resumes as normal. Or so we thought. Yeah, we ditched the lease and bought a 2008 Sprinter van for just over $13,000 instead. Seems crazy to especially our parents when we walked into my parents' house that Sunday night and we're like, hey, we bought a house and it's on wheels and it's only 60 square feet. They were a little overwhelmed, but it's been brewing for us for a really long time. But there was definitely a moment where it was like crossroads of these apartments are filling so fast. There's a huge surge of price and demand for renting in Toronto, and just that van came into the lot and it just felt a little serendipitous and we're like, okay, we're doing it.
We had our little folder full of all of our apartments we're looking at, and we were gonna sign a lease for a year, and now we've totally changed our mind and we might buy a Sprinter van.
We basically just went for it, spending 30 days insulating,
Sawing,
drilling,
paneling,
measuring,
painting,
sanding,
tiling,
creating,
electrifying,
Vitamixing,
plumbing,
attaching.
and admiring our tiny home.
We hit the road, traveling across Canada, selling our beautiful fresh blend tea.
And we enjoyed ourselves along the way.
Do you want to Vitamix it?
We ate a lot, enjoyed daily smoothies, and met a few van life friends.
I booked a flight home, leaving Eamon to drive solo across North America.
Day 2 here, just absolutely crushing it. Not really, it's only been like 4 hours. Whole new wall of boredom.
Yeah, you could say I went a little nuts.
Hey!
Eamon made it home just in time to meet Bruce, my sister's new puppy.
What a drive!
Come on! I gotta show you the new puppy! There's a new puppy!
Bruce is ridiculous!
And to gear up for the largest Christmas trade show in Canada.
We capped off the year with some van life Christmas spirit, a lot of family gatherings, and a beautiful wedding for a lifelong friend.
And here we are now, back in our cold van.
We have had such a great year and you guys have been such a big part of it, so we just want to say thank you so much for being along for the ride. We're so excited for 2018 and all of the amazing things to come. I don't know what Eamon's doing, but
I just wanted to show them our sick new camera setup. So if you ever hear me with an excuse, there's no excuses, guys. 2018 is gonna be a banger of a year. I hope you're strapped in, subscribed, ready to kick it off in the right way.
I know New Year is all about looking forward and setting goals, but I think for me it's also a time of reflection. So I'd love to know what your favorite part of 2017 was, and something that you hope to carry over from 2017. So for me, it's living in this van. It's been such an amazing journey with you, and I'm so glad you're along for it. So yeah.
I think it would also be great insight to find out from you guys what kind of content you like. So maybe leave a comment below, you know, saying your favorite vlog, your favorite scene, and then we can capture more of those moments.
Yeah, some of your favorite Eamon and Bec bits from 2017.
Okay, it's pretty cold because we turned off the heater to film this because we wanted our audio tight. So we're gonna turn back on the heater and we'll catch you guys in another video in a couple days. Peace.
Thanks for watching,
Happy 2018.
guys.
Bye.
Bye.
I get it how I live it. I live it how I get it. Yeah, and that won't stop.